Section 1. The human factor, why it's crucial. Projects live and die by the people behind them. Skilled and motivated teams deliver successful projects. Ignoring the human element leads to delays, budget overruns, and project failures. Project human resource management is the key to unlocking your team's potential. It's about putting people first, optimizing their talents, and creating a thriving project environment. Effective human resource management is not just about ticking boxes. It's about understanding individual strengths, fostering collaboration, and resolving conflicts effectively. It's about creating a culture where everyone feels valued, heard, and empowered to contribute their best. When you invest in your people, you invest in the success of your project. Section 2. Planning your people. Setting the stage for success. Planning is the cornerstone of successful project human resource management. Before you even think about assembling a team, you need a solid plan. Start by defining your project's specific needs. What skills are essential? What roles need to be filled? How many people will you need? Once you have a clear picture of your requirements, create a detailed human resource plan. This plan should outline how you will acquire, develop, and manage your team throughout the project lifecycle. It should include roles and responsibilities, reporting structures, staffing timelines, and training needs. A well-structured human resource plan acts as your roadmap for managing your team. It helps you anticipate challenges, allocate resources effectively, and ensure that you have the right people in the right roles at the right time. Section 3. Building your dream team. Getting the right people on board. With your plan in place, it's time to assemble your dream team. Resource acquisition is the process of finding and selecting the best individuals for your project. Start by defining clear job descriptions that outline the required skills, experience, and responsibilities for each role. Use a variety of recruitment methods to attract top talent. Tap into your existing networks, explore online job boards, and consider partnering with recruitment agencies. During the selection process, focus on identifying candidates who not only possess the necessary technical skills, but also demonstrate strong communication, collaboration, and problem-solving abilities. Remember, your team is the engine that will drive your project forward. Invest time and effort in selecting individuals who are not only skilled but also motivated, adaptable, and culturally aligned with your project's goals. Section 4. Nurturing talent, developing and growing your team. Acquiring a talented team is just the first step. Team development focuses on nurturing and enhancing the skills and capabilities of your team members throughout the project. Provide opportunities for professional development through training programs, workshops, and mentorship initiatives. Encourage continuous learning and knowledge sharing within the team. Create a culture where team members feel comfortable asking questions, seeking guidance, and sharing their expertise with others. Foster a sense of community and belonging by organizing team-building activities and social events. By investing in the development of your team, you not only enhance their skills but also boost their motivation, engagement, and commitment to the project's success. Section 5. Keeping tabs performance management for project success. Performance management is an ongoing process of monitoring, evaluating, and providing feedback on individual and team performance. It's crucial to establish clear performance expectations and metrics from the outset. Regularly track progress, identify areas for improvement, and provide constructive feedback to help team members excel. Utilize a variety of performance management tools, such as performance reviews, one-on-one meetings, and progress reports. Celebrate successes and acknowledge contributions to keep motivation high. Address performance issues promptly and provide support to help team members overcome challenges. Effective performance management ensures that everyone is working towards the same goals, identifies potential roadblocks early on, and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Section 6. Navigating conflicts. Turning friction into progress. Conflicts are inevitable in any project environment. Conflict management is about resolving disagreements effectively and preventing them from escalating into major disruptions. Encourage open communication and create a safe space for team members to voice their concerns. When conflicts arise, address them promptly and professionally. Listen attentively to all parties involved, identify the root cause of the conflict, and facilitate a collaborative solution that addresses everyone's needs. Focus on finding common ground and achieving a win-win outcome. Remember, conflicts can be opportunities for growth and innovation. By managing them effectively, you can foster a more cohesive and productive team environment. Section 7. Engaging stakeholders. Collaboration for project success. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who have an interest in your project's outcome. Stakeholder management involves identifying, engaging, and communicating with stakeholders throughout the project lifecycle. Build strong relationships with stakeholders by understanding their expectations, addressing their concerns, and keeping them informed of project progress. Use a variety of communication channels to keep stakeholders engaged, such as regular meetings, progress reports, and online collaboration tools. Seek their input and feedback to ensure that the project meets their needs and expectations. Effective stakeholder management fosters a sense of shared ownership, reduces resistance to change, and increases the likelihood of project success. Section 8. Resource management. Balancing needs and availability. Resource management involves effectively allocating and utilizing resources, including personnel, equipment, and materials. Ensure that you have the right resources available at the right time to support your project's activities. Develop a resource allocation plan that outlines the availability, utilization, and costs associated with each resource. Monitor resource usage throughout the project and make adjustments as needed. Be flexible and adaptable in responding to unforeseen circumstances or changes in project scope. Optimize resource allocation to minimize waste and maximize efficiency. Effective resource management ensures that your project stays on track, within budget, and meets its objectives. Section 9. Clear communication. The lifeblood of successful projects. Communication management is the glue that holds your project together. Establish clear communication channels and protocols from the outset. Encourage open and transparent communication among team members, stakeholders, and sponsors. Use a variety of communication methods to suit different audiences and purposes. Regular team meetings, email updates, project dashboards, and online collaboration tools can all play a role in keeping everyone informed and aligned. Effective communication fosters trust, transparency, and collaboration, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goals. Section 10. The Ethical Compass. Navigating legality and fairness. Ethical considerations and legal compliance are paramount in project human resource management. Treat all team members fairly and equitably, regardless of their background, beliefs, or personal characteristics. Adhere to all relevant labor laws and regulations, including those related to hiring, compensation, working hours, and workplace safety. Create a work environment that is free from discrimination, harassment, and any form of exploitation. Promote diversity and inclusion, recognizing the value of different perspectives and experiences. By upholding ethical principles and ensuring legal compliance, you create a workplace where everyone feels valued, respected, and protected.